Welcome to CIT293 Employability Studies. Now, as you go into the course, you'll see that it looks a little different than what you may have seen in other online classes. This class was built using Blackboard Ultra. You'll still have a lot of the same functions available to you, documents, turning in items, things of that nature. But we'll just look a little different. As we take a look, we'll see that there's a number of items that aren't available yet. Just like in other online classes, until you take the syllabus quiz, some items are not available. Now, where we used to have items along the left-hand side, they're now across the top. We have content, calendar, discussions, gradebook, and messages. Messages is what we're going to use in this class to kind of communicate with each other. It's a lot like email, but all of the communications are stored within this course. Each time I send you a message or you send me a message using course messages, we're also going to get an email nudge to check that. So, taking a quick look, to actually see the materials, you would expand the list and you'll see the different items. As we go into one item, one of the things that I like is, since this is kind of linear, I can see the getting started, and then click to go to instructor information, and then the next piece would be the syllabus. You'll also notice up here in the upper right hand corner, we have something called conversations. There are times when you want to ask just a quick question on a particular assignment or a particular item. With conversations, it allows you to put it on that item. So for example, a student asked, okay, where is your office? And I put in the reply, I have 2 offices. Obviously, I would put in a longer answer. So anytime that you see that purple bubble, that lets you know that there's an active conversation going on. Okay. We have the syllabus, have the ability to download it, and also the full text. Have the tentative schedule that you can download, and then, as always, a syllabus quiz. Now with the syllabus quiz, we're going to view the assessment, and I'm going to answer true, true, and then submit. Then I can go back to my content, shrink that. And if the items are not showing up yet, just refresh. Okay. I've broken up the remaining items into self and career exploration, applying for a job, career advice, and then those final documents. Just a couple of quick reminders. Everyone in this class must take the NOCD. These are the dates that the NOCD is going to be given at West Kentucky. If you are a West Kentucky student, those are the days you must take it. Okay, if you're not a West Kentucky student, you need to contact the program coordinator at your home college about taking the exam. Okay. In each one of the sections, there may be discussions and there may be particular items you need to complete. Okay, within each of the chapters, there is at the very least the chapter, a self-assessment, and multiple choice. Now, with the chapter, that is Learn Smart, and you'll see a short, very short video introducing Learn Smart, and also under the Getting Started, or the first week assignments, you'll see an orientation to Connect. It is important that you do the practice and not just read through the materials. Now at the end of the semester, you're going to do a final selling yourself. That's just that short thing that you did also at the beginning, kind of explaining why someone should hire you. Want a final version of your cover letter? Final version of your resume. You will also need to schedule the time to do an interview with me. This could be via Skype or in person. We will work on that towards the end of November. We will need to work around my other classes, and also, to be honest with you, I may be going to defend my dissertation around the end of November, beginning of December, so we'll need to work around that. I will work around your schedule, you can work around mine. Now this preview of Blackboard Ultra was meant to be rather fast. All of you are in your last or close to your last semester of CIT, and so you guys are a little bit of my guinea pigs. I want you to ask me questions of anything that you don't understand, not only about the class, but also about how to navigate the class. I've left it very broad. I really want your feedback in terms of how intuitive this all is. As always, feel free to ask me questions. I look forward to working with you this semester.